Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Happy Tuesday, January the 7th. I got it right. It's January 7th. Time is flying. The days are flying. What y'all been up to? I have been enjoying my space, my time, my peace, and today is like a day of I'm home early, a little earlier than I would be, and I'm really trying to enjoy it. I'm like really trying to enjoy it. I'm tired of all the hustle and the bustle, even turning on the camera. I'm just, y'all know how it can be. But enough about me. How y'all been doing? How y'all been moving along? Huh? What y'all been up to? I'm actually sleepy, to be honest. I'm really tired. I need to move some things around in here and get going and stop talking so much. But yeah, let me know how y'all day is going. It's a beautiful Tuesday. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can see, we got snow, we had blizzards and all kinds of stuff, but it's a good day. My weekend was smooth. I had to work. I had the boys Sunday evening. And what else? That's about it. Oh, let me show y'all my OOTD of the day. All right, y'all. I'm sitting here talking to y'all, and I got to put my food up. But this is what I'm wearing. I finally found a pair of sweats to match this, and I gave my mom my Ralph Lauren's gray sweatshirt and those like legging sweatpants with the zippers. I gave her those. So yeah, I had to. Y'all already know I'm trying not to have, if I'm gonna have some sets of clothes, I want to have the sets that I only need and I want. So yeah, let me put this food up. So I did vlog on my other channel. Y'all go check that out because I had a sponsorship. But I'm just so grateful because it's like YouTube is helping me grow. Like help me. But I got this avocado chunks. It says always ripe, always ready. And I got 2 things of peas. I got some hummus. Let me put these up. These are more like for smoothies. So I'm doing pretty good in the kitchen as far as you know what? But I forgot that I have. Do this got avocado in it? Hold on. This got avocado in it too. But that's cool. I forgot that I had those. That's all right. I'll put that in front of it so that way I remember. And then my peas, y'all know I usually take out a bag and fill them up. So I'll make sure I put these here so I won't forget to do that. And then the hummus goes down below. Yeah. And put that here. And then I got 2 cucumbers. I got 2 cucumbers. Okay. And I got some seaweed snacks. And I got some firewood crust pieces, 5 mushrooms. So it has girl here. Y'all look. That's the mushrooms that they have on there. Y'all see that? Okay. So let me put these up because I don't want my stuff to go bad or to be unthawing. Can I put both of these in here? Okay. Some of this stuff gonna be out of here because I know I'm gonna cook later something. Let me take these out. Yeah, so I got a few things that I need to do here. And then I'm gonna show y'all something. I got some stuff I wanna move around as well. I'm gonna put these in my snack thing. But anyway, hold on y'all. So like I said, I had this sponsorship, so I know I gotta put this. I'm gonna keep this box. I'm gonna keep that. And then I need to put this in there with it. But I need to, this box. Y'all know what? I can use this paper like to wrap stuff. When you move, you can use that to wrap things. So let me just I can put it all in here like that. And put it put it in the pantry because that's where I store all my boxes. So this box can go. This box can go here. And then I'm going to, hold on, y'all. Let me put this box somewhere else. That's cool beans because I forgot tomorrow it's going to be, I gotta take the trash out rather. So I'm just gonna put these up and put these down here. But y'all know I keep all my packages to everything. So like, this box right here, this one has my pot set. And then there's my knife set box right here, that little green one. So I'm just gonna set this in here, get that out of the way. So over time, some of these boxes are gonna be minimized because, like I said, I keep like all my decor pieces that came in a box. I keep those in here. Something in here, but this box down here, this box right here, this one right there, it's gonna be going pretty soon. So that'll be one of my less worries. Now in my room, yeah, I like this, but this is not the right black that I like. I don't know if y'all can see it. It looks like a charcoal black. So I'm gonna spray paint this one day over time. You know, I got this from the Goodwill. So I'm gonna put it somewhere else because I'm gonna switch something out in the front. I'm actually gonna put this right here because I like these candles right here, but I don't like them right there. I'm gonna move these out the way. See, that's the good thing about decor, y'all. Y'all can swap things out. Just keep what you got pieces that you absolutely love. See, once they get sprayed painted more black, it's gonna look more nice. So, like I said, it's the good thing about having nice decor and luxury pieces. You can switch them out. So I'm gonna put these. Let's put these over here. Y'all, I don't know how many minutes. I think I'm working on 7 minutes. This video ain't gonna be long. I just came to touch bases with y'all, see how y'all were doing, and say hello. And then show y'all a few things that I'm currently working on trying to do. And yeah, let me go get the other one. So yeah, that looks nice. It's not doing too much. Somebody might say, but Sonia's touching it, but I'm not gonna light these candles. So it's not doing too much. But I just felt like, cause this is the buffet, the candlesticks. I don't know, y'all, let me know. Do y'all like it? I mean, it's gonna be all right for right now, but this is how that looks right here now. I like that. And I don't know if y'all know, there's a light here. See? There's a light down there. Cutesy. Also have a waffle weave Casaluna dish towel. I don't know if I want to use it for the dishes. Let me go look in the kitchen. This is nice, y'all. So I do got this one, and this is the I absolutely love this. This is the Project 62 brand. I just like the print in it, but y'all look. I end up burning it by mistake. So it got holes in it. So this will be nice, a nice addition. I just got to remember I cannot like get stuff all over it. So, okay. That look nice. It goes with everything. It goes like with the grays and stuff of the kitchen. See? That pairs pretty good. What y'all think? So, let's get on to some more. Last but not least, I wanted to show y'all these prints, y'all. Now, I had them sitting underneath this box. This is actually going over to my daughter's today. If I have time to, if I go back out, would I drop it off? But it's a high chair for the baby that her uncle sent her. Let me see what I'm gonna do with this bag. I think this had my the castle. No, what am I talking about? It had these prints in here. Y'all look at these. These are so bad. I can't wait. Look at those. Ain't them beautiful? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So my whole idea for these is, hold on one second. Y'all, it's always work. Push this bag. Oh my gosh. It's always something. Sheesh. But this picture right here, I'm going to give this to them to put in one of their bathrooms, the man's bathroom, because it just goes with it. I didn't want to get rid of it. I was going to keep the frame, but I changed my mind because y'all know I like to get rid of stuff. But guys, this is where I'm going to put these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful babies. That's going to look so nice. Oh my God, but I'm going to use tape, y'all, to do it. So hold the line. All right, y'all, I'm going to show y'all how these look It's a nice, do y'all see how I am? I'm not very big, but look at those. I love these. I wish I could find some like gold frames. If I ever see some gold frames, I'm getting them. These are beautiful. So just imagine, oh my gosh, look at that. Now y'all can't tell me, this is more me than this. So I'm gonna put these here. So y'all gonna watch me do it, okay? YouTube is a part of YouTube University. YouTube University teaches you a lot. But at the same time, it's more than just YouTube University. YouTube University is pretty much you understand the rules and different things that YouTube has to offer. But the real thing is that content creators are specialized in teaching you. Y'all, these are so stinking cute. Now, look. This is our old portrait, which has like the similar colors, as you can see. Similar colors. Only thing it doesn't have that gray, but this is gonna be perfect over their house. But these are so stinking cute. And I can flip them if I want. I can not, this is real life. I gotta put some more tape on it. But anyway, I can like not put no, I think I'm not gonna put no frames on these. And you don't hang your pictures, people be hanging their pictures up here. No, you hang your pictures at eye level, like this. So yeah, y'all, let's get into it. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to chat with y'all for a little bit, check in, and that's what these videos are going to be about. It's just like whatever I'm doing, I'm just going to turn the camera on. I have to remember that. Just turn your camera on. Don't worry about it. Do what you got to do. Decor, y'all, you can play around with, look at that. You can play around with your decor. I'm glad I have like things that I can move around here and there, and every piece can flow in every room. That's my whole thing. When every piece can flow in every room, then you know you got everything down to a T. You got it down packed to a T. So find decor that kind of insinuates one another and insinuates your spaces. So the only thing I'm gonna do is, what else do I have to do here? I'm basically cool, to be honest. I'm basically cool with this home decor stuff. Only thing I want to do is, so I know y'all was like, Sonia, when you just in there? Yeah, I just want to show you how clean my house is. The only thing I want to do, I switched out that looks nice right there. Like I said, go and check out my channel so you can see this being featured. The only thing I want to do in here, I have to find the other frame just like that to put right here so I can throw this frame away because it's no good. And I want to do the back of the wall. The back of the refrigerator, and I think I'll be pretty much cool, y'all. Yeah, I think I'll be cool. But look at it. Everything's so nice and clean and crisp, like I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch some of you guys' videos that y'all got, whether they're shorts or videos. Say hello, see what you guys are up to, and I will see you guys in the next video. Always remember to do what? Love yourself so that you better love others, so this world will be a much better place to live, y'all. And keep your spaces tidy, keep your mind tidy, keep your heart tidy. Just live the best life you can. You know, I'm not trying to be working real hard. I ain't trying to do nothing real hard. I'm just trying to live my life in peace and harmony, okay? That's what we're doing over here. So I want the best for y'all. I hope y'all want the best for me. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.